So this is the Mantis, a 1970 release that had an opening canopy and an exposed engine. It was a 70 only release, but in 73 they re-released it with some changes and called it the Double Vision. The opening canopy was eliminated, as was the exposed engine and pipes, probably because they found out how easy they bend and break. I bought it on eBay a while back, and I was going to do it for Redline Day back in May, and then I decided to do nothing instead. At some point, I broke the pipes on the engine off. I had to purchase a replacement, which I also did in May. Anyway, it's July now, and I finally got around to finishing it. I painted it like 4 times. I guess I'm rusty. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not sure when I'll do another video. I did buy a Hot Wheels Python at the same time as I bought the Mantis. Maybe I'll do that in October and paint it orange or something. Who knows? Anyway, see you next time.